Hello, this is Diana from Yarn Eddies, here with a quick video to demonstrate how to crochet a Romanian cord to use as a bag handle for the Cotton Breeze crossbody bag. To make this cord, start with 2 strands of yarn and make a slip knot using a K or 6.5mm hook. Leave an extra long yarn tail as you will be using it to sew your bag handle onto the inside of your bag. Here I'm using 2 strands of medium worsted weight cotton yarn. Start by chaining 2, then single crochet into the very first chain. Rotate the stitch and look for the 2 side loops. Insert your hook into the 2 loops, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 2 pairs of loops for a total of 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all loops just like a single crochet. Rotate the stitch like before, and now you will see 4 loops on the side, which is actually 2 pairs of 2 loops since you are using a double yarn. Insert the hook under all 4 loops, yarn over, pull through all 4. You will now have 2 sets of 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all of the loops just like a single crochet. Rotate the stitch. Locate the 4 side loops and repeat this process for the length of the cord needed. Use a measurement of approximately 50 inches for a crossbody bag. Using 2 yarns together produces a strong, flexible, and somewhat flat cord that is ideal for all kinds of purses and bags. As you make your cord, keep your tension somewhat loose, or you may find it difficult to easily insert the hook under the 4 side loops, especially if you are using cotton yarn. I like to give the cord a gentle tug periodically as I work to keep the cord from twisting up and to even out the stitches. When you achieve your desired length, fasten off and leave another extra long tail for attaching the handle to the bag. This gorgeous cord kind of reminds me of macrame. Thanks for watching this Yarn Eddies quick tip video. Please hit the like button and click on subscribe for more crochet quick tips.